Welcome guys, this is Shiraz. Welcome to Cars Live. Today we have a new episode on the very brand new Honda Brio, the iVTEC SMT model. Okay, this is a 2016 February model, and unbelievably this is run just about 490 kilometers. Yes, you have heard it right, it is run just 490 kilometers. Okay, so this is a 2016 Honda Brio manual transmission petrol variant. It's a SMT and an iVTEC engine, and the Honda City Brio is known for its mileage. The Brio gives you a mileage of about 18 on city and gives you about 24 on highways. Okay, so let's see during the entire video. I'll explain you on the entire body line of the car, entire history of the car, mechanical issues and everything, mount. Okay, all will be explained in the video. Okay. Though it's a 2016 model, hardly run 490 kilometers because it was never used. There is no mechanical issues. There are no accidental repairs, there is no body damages, nothing whatsoever. This is just like a brand new car. Okay, so let's take it to the car. It's a crystal white in color, very robust. Okay, it's a brand new condition. Nothing, no repaint, no scratches, nothing at all whatsoever. All doors are all original. Okay, no insurance claim till date. But let me remind you, the first service of the car is still due. It is run just 490 kilometers, and the first service for the car is due after 1000 kilometers. Okay. The boot is excellent. In fact, the only drawback in the car is the boot space. The boot space is very small, and the smallest boot space that you get on the car. Okay. The stepney is unused and brand new. Toolkit as it is from the showroom. Okay. It has leather seats and extra additional reverse sensors fitted with the camera as well. The reverse sensor cam also has an LCD too. The left side of the car is very neat, though few scratches noticed on the left side back bumper. All doors are all original again. Left side, back side left door is all original too. Okay. Fenders are all neat, clean. Come closer. You have a small scratch and dent on the right side, on the left side bumper over here. Okay, this will cost you to repair about 1,500 on the totally half bumper. That's it. So let's see what the car has inside. So 2016 Honda Brio iVTEC engine, SMT model variant, comes loaded with features of power steering. This is the electronic EPS power steering, one of the best in class for the hatchbacks. Okay, it's very smooth. The tilting, the turning rate is very excellent. In fact, okay, it also comes with the AC audio system built in. Okay, with the aux and USB jack. Okay, it comes with the steering controls and power windows, all 4 doors. It also comes with automatic mirror adjustment controls too. It has the custom-made leather interiors from the showroom as it is. As you can see, even the visor, the plastic covers have not been removed yet. It's very neat and clean. The car is run unbelievably just about 490 kilometers. Just 490 kilometers. In fact, the first service of the car is still due. That's the best part of this. So overall, very spacious car. Okay, very smooth to drive on a hatchback on the Indian roads. And perfect for family, for approximately say 4 to 5 members can easily sit on the car. Though the boot space Brio lags in it, but the driving, the luxury on the gearbox, the suspension, the pickup for the iVTEC it has, the iVTEC engine is the best in class. In fact, even the Honda City has an iVTEC, but that's a 1.5 liter and this is a 1.2 liter engine. Okay, so 1.2 liter engine gives you a good mileage of 18 to 20 in city with AC and should give you about 24 on highways with AC again. Okay, and depends exactly on the maintenance. So like I said, it's a 2016 February model. It's a single owner driven car. It has comprehensive insurance valid till February end. Okay, it is run just 490 kilometers. The first service is still due. The extended warranty is for next 2 years till 2018. The showroom price on road for this car is 6,64,000 rupees, and I'm selling this car for just 5,65,000 rupees. Exactly a lakh rupees less from the showroom for just 490 kilometers driven car is a crazy deal. Apart from the showroom price, 10,000 rupees extra accessories fitted is with the reverse cam sensors. Okay, as you can see over here, the reverse cam it's on the rear view mirror itself. Okay, so it's a LED with the reverse cam and sensors too. These extra fitted from the company, plus the mats have been extra fitted, added as an extra accessory. So you have 10,000 rupees worth accessory added extra as well. So 1 lakh rupee less from the showroom price, which is at just 5.65, is a killer deal. Okay, so anyone interested in the car, just pick up your phone, give me a call. My number is mentioned on the post. Please do me a call. The car is yours. Thank you for watching Cars Live. I'm Shiraz here. I'll check it out. I've eaten too much biryani right now, so time for a short nap. Thank you, Tata, bye bye.